Good day. My name is Cameron Brown. I'm owner and president of Stark Brothers Nurseries and Orchards. I wanted to talk to you about 2020, a very successful year for Stark Brothers, but one that's created many hardships, and it's affected all the businesses, and we know it's affected you. First of all, I would say that it is not possible for Stark Brothers to be successful as a partner in growing without the loyalty and support we've had from our customers, which has been unbelievable. We truly appreciate that and bring that appreciation from our staff here that work hard to make that possible. Here at Stark Brothers, we have seen a desire for people to get back to growing and producing their own food. And that's exactly what we're here for and have been doing for over 200 years. Success is measured in many ways, and one of the ways is getting directly to the consumer what they want. And when they open a box or a package from us, they know what to expect, and they're going to get the quality that I require and all of our staff put into that. As we move forward, our goals remain the same: provide you with quality plants and trees, along with the education you need to be successful. I want to thank everyone on behalf of Stark Brothers for their loyalty and continued support of our products, and we look forward to being a partner with you in the future.